Hi everyone, let's welcome to the first class of Maths with Dibya. As you all must be knowing that I am starting my own YouTube channel where I'll be discussing maths with you, different chapters, different topics, and the most importantly, two things are there, beta. One is your connectivity, another one is your visualization. This particular thing we have discussed in the podcast. That what are the things that we are going to discuss. So ये फर्स्ट क्लास में दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट क्लास सो ये फर्स्ट क्लास में हम लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू what are the things that I'm going to do. I'll give you a roadmap what exactly we'll do. So this is the month of July. So July is going to end, but let's start from this month. July, August, September, October, November, December, January and February. So we have more or less 7 to 8 months. In these 8 months we'll study 20 chapters. How many chapters we are going to discuss, beta? 20 chapters. Yeah, 20 chapters we are going to discuss. And what are the chapters? So let me tell you, in this 8 months we'll study 20 chapters. And now in the very first class I'm telling you the name of these 20 chapters. First, the basic fundamental chapter, which is your number system. पहला chapter कौन सा हुआ बेटा? Number system. And I'll discuss everything in detail कि what exactly connectivity is. Always keep in your mind two things. One is your connectivity, another one is your visualization. ठीक है बेटा? So first chapter हुआ number system. Yeah. Chapter 1 is your number system. Good. So many things must be coming to your mind. बहुत सारा चीज आ रहा होगा. Number system. सर नंबर सिस्टम तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं. We have discussed number system. We know number system. What different things you are going to do? अलग क्या करने जा रहे हो? I'll tell you what different things we are going to do, what different things we will be discussing. So first chapter is your number system. Second chapter, yes, the second chapter is your fraction, decimal, ratio and proportion. Fraction, decimal, ratio, proportion. Getting what I am saying? So first chapter क्या हुआ बेटा? Number system. Second chapter fraction, decimal, ratio, proportion. Sir fraction अलग chapter है, decimal अलग chapter है, ratio is a different chapter and proportion is also an another chapter. आप चारों chapter को एक साथ क्यों लिखे? बताता हूँ बेटा. I'll tell you why I have written these 4 chapters in a particular segment. Then third chapter that we are going to discuss is your percentage, or you can say profit, loss, then percentage and interest. Okay, third chapter that we are going to discuss, it is your profit, loss, percentage and interest. Got it? These are the first three chapters. And fourth one, let's go to the fourth one. The fourth chapter is your algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Getting what I am saying? So these are the 4. First chapter is your number system. Second chapter is your fraction, decimal, ratio, proportion. Third chapter is your profit, loss, percentage and interest. And fourth chapter is your algebraic expression. In algebraic expression also we will be covering what? Algebraic identities. Getting what I am saying? Clearly understood everyone, beta? Then fifth one. The fifth chapter that we will discuss, that is your polynomial. What it is? Polynomial. Getting what I'm saying? Fifth chapter is your polynomial. And sixth chapter, chapter 6, it is beta. This chapter 6, I am writing here, this chapter 6 is your linear equation. What it is? Linear equation. Getting what I am saying? So these are the first 6 chapters. There are 20 chapters, but I have prepared 20 chapters. Also, you can do one thing. You can ask in the comment box that whether this chapter is there or not. If any suggestions are there, also you can tell me. So these are the very first 6 chapters that we will be studying. First one is your number system, fraction, decimal, ratio, proportion in second chapter. Chapter 3 is your profit loss, percentage and interest. Fourth chapter is your algebraic expression. Fifth chapter is your polynomial. Sixth chapter is your linear equation. Am I clear? Yeah. Now, sir, क्या क्या चैप्टर पढ़ाएंगे वो बोल दिए. ये सब चैप्टर्स बुक में भी है. आप क्या, what different things you are going to do? So I am telling you बेटा what different things that I am going to do. Yeah. The most important thing beta that we are going to do is 2 things. What are the 2 things? First one is your connectivity. Second one is your visualization. Okay, first one is your connectivity, second one is your visualization. Getting what I am saying? ये connectivity और visualization है क्या? अच्छा, if I'll ask a grade 5 और 6 students, मैथ्स में सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्या है बेटा? सबसे डिफिकल्ट है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, सबसे डिफिकल्ट है केस बेस्ड स्टडीज, सबसे डिफिकल्ट है स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. व्हाई? दे आर अनेबल टू विजुअलाइज द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस में क्या है एग्जैक्टली व्हाट बीइंग आस्क्ड, वो समझने में ही सर डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है. वी नो द कैलकुलेशंस, हमको कैलकुलेशंस पता है सर, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन वी कैन डू, बट स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़ के, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में डिफरेंट स्टेटमेंट्स और सेंटेंस को पढ़ के हम ये सब लाइक वी आर अनेबल टू फाइंड इट आउट दैट वेदर वी हैव टू डू एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. दिस इज वेयर वी आर लैकिंग बिहाइंड. ओके, सो गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दे आर अनेबल टू विजुअलाइज. एक मार्केट था, एक वेजिटेबल के मार्केट में समवन हैज गॉन, आलू लाया 2 kg, ऑनियंस 3 kg, vegetables, different vegetables 2 kg, and price of each kg is different things. What is the total sum or total amount he or she has to give? सबको पता है बेटा एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन कैसे करना है, बट दे आर अनेबल टू फाइंड इट आउट कि क्यों, मतलब कैसे करना है. सो यस बेटा, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि व्हाई कनेक्टिविटी ऑफ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स, हाउ डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर इंटरलिंक्ड, एंड व्हाई दिस विजुअलाइजेशन थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा वन सिंपल थिंग. माय विजन इज वेरी क्लियर. माय विजन इज टू एंश्योर दैट यू, नो वन शुड से मैथ्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट, दिस इज माय विजन इज. नो वन शुड से मैथ्स से क्यों डरना है, शेर थोड़ी है, खा जाएगा, भूत थोड़ी है, मार देगा आके. नहीं, इट्स नॉट दैट मच ऑफ लाइक, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. माई ओनली विजन इज टू से दैट एवरी स्टूडेंट विल से maths is not a difficult subject. Getting what I'm saying? And 2 major things are, one is connectivity, another one is visualization. By applying these 2 things, you will be able to like find it out कि मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ कि this connectivity and visualization things, these things are what mostly important बेटा, बहुत ही जरूरी है ये connectivity and visualization. Now sir, visualization है क्या? Why this visualization and why this, what is this connectivity? Visualization somehow you like you understood. Okay, we have to visualize the things. And why this connectivity matters? I am telling you why this connectivity matters. And with one example I am saying, let's keep it here. So the very first chapter that we are going to discuss, the basic fundamental chapter, it's your number system. Yeah, it is your number सिस्टम. ओके सर, ये तो आप बताए थे कि नंबर सिस्टम ही हम डिस्कस करेंगे, विल डिस्कस. तो ये कनेक्टिविटी नंबर सिस्टम में कैसे अप्लाई हो सकता है? यस, वी कैन अप्लाई. व्हाई? ए हाउ? कैसे कर सकते हैं? नंबर्स किससे बनते हैं बेटा? डिजिट से. ठीक. सो फर्स्ट वन इज योर डिजिट्स. वेरी गुड, आई अंडरस्टूड. देन डिजिट से बना नंबर्स. वेरी गुड. अच्छा सर, नंबर्स पढ़ने के बाद वन थिंग वी हैव डिस्कस, वी नो दैट न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम, अबाउट टू थिंग्स, अबाउट इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम, अनदर वन इज योर इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम. ओके, इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम, इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम. देन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स? That may be even numbers, that may be odd numbers, that may be prime numbers, that may be composite numbers. अच्छा सर, prime numbers, composite numbers, if we are discussing, then factors will be there. Yes, factors are there. If factors are there, divisibility will be there. Yes sir, divisibility is there. If factors is there, HCF is there. Yes sir, HCF is there. If HCF is there, LCM will be there. Yes beta, LCM will be there. Getting what I am saying? These are the basic fundamental things that everyone should know. अच्छा, ये सब हो गया. Then another different types is also there. What are the different types of numbers? Sir, natural numbers. Grade 6, 7 students will say, sir, natural numbers. Yes, natural numbers are there. Sir, whole numbers are there. Sir, integers. Yes, integers are also there. Rational numbers are there. Irrational numbers are there. So in a single lecture or in a single class we'll discuss all the interlinked concepts. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? Yes, that is what. So in a particular video we'll be able to discuss all the interlinked concepts. So this is my main motive behind all such kind of things, doing everything. I know like there are so many sources, so many videos, so many classes are there, but what I found that I have not came across any such kind of videos where this connectivity series will be there, where in a particular video or particular lecture so many concepts will be interlinked. So this is what I wanted to do. And why this connectivity things came to my mind, let me tell you better clearly. After discussing we'll wind up and very soon we'll meet in our first class, that is number system. मैं एक शॉर्ट में बता रहा हूँ बेटा. इन शॉर्ट, ग्रेड 9 में 10-15 दिन पहले मैं क्लास ले रहा था. Those who are in grade 9, those who are grade 9 students, they must be knowing that grade 9 में while taking the class, I came to know like one proof is there, proof of irrationality. What it is? Proof of irrationality. Irrationality means irrational numbers are there, √2, √3, √5. Okay. While solving or while proving, proof करने के टाइम में हमको क्या चाहिए? We have to take a concept is there, co-prime numbers का concept इसके साथ interlinked है. Then I asked grade 9 students कि अच्छा PQ are the co-primes. So then most of the students they asked, sir, what are co-primes? Then I was shocked. Well, okay, I have to discuss co-primes again. Then I discussed primes, co-primes. That particular moment I realized कि अच्छा connectivity students are lacking behind. बच्चे वो सब चीज़ों को कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं जो उन्हें पिछले क्लास में पढ़ाया गया है. ग्रेड 4 में क्या पढ़ाया गया है, ग्रेड 5 में क्या पढ़ाया गया है, ग्रेड 6 में व्हाट दे हैव लर्न, ग्रेड 7 में व्हाट दे हैव लर्न. एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट, एवरी चैप्टर्स, एवरी देयर आर लिंक्ड चैप्टर्स. ए connectivity thing is there. There is a series of connectivity. So this is what I want to do, that students should learn. I hope this video is very much informative, very much useful to you. ये आप सबके लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल होगा. तो लेट्स मीट अगेन. हम मिलेंगे आपसे with our first chapter which is your number system. Number system के साथ I will come to you again. So whatever suggestions are there, I am requesting to all my students, whatever suggestions are there, whatever things are there to rectify and all to change, you can suggest in the comment box. Until and unless, Jai Jagannath. Let's meet in our next video, in our next class, where we'll start this number system.